We have struggled to grow grass on this golf course for 6 years, okay? And we have done everything. We would mow roughs once every 3 weeks, and we weren't really cutting anything. We just never grew any grass over here. I could fertilize it for all I wanted, and it just never did anything. It just laid there. This fairway was extraordinarily thin. I had a gentleman that lives up here that told me, you know, when are we gonna be able to grow some grass out there? It's nothing but dirt. Well, we've got it now. This is an overseeded fairway that you can tell the transition on this has been absolutely spectacular. When we had these deep tine aerified, we ran the curative for almost 2 weeks straight. I didn't stop, and that was on top of what we had done already. Shannon said that this was one of the best nines that she has done this summer, as far as being able to get the tines all the way down. The fact that you can stand in this fairway today and bury that probe. If you told me 7 months ago we're going to be able to bury a probe in here, I'd have told you whatever it is you're smoking, I want some, because it ain't happening. Yep. But what I enjoyed more than anything else is when you first used to take this profile, all you would see was calcium carbonate just loaded all the way inside there. You couldn't get a probe in the ground. No water perk whatsoever. I don't water near as much as we used to. We'd be running 1 million plus a night, and we're down now to 600,000-700,000 gallons a night. Yeah. And one of the impressive things that we don't see anymore, if you had been driving around here at this time last year, the DG areas that surround the tees, you could just see the calcium, carbon, the white, that would just be wherever the water ran off. You'd have that dried calcium. We have none of that anymore. The trees have been here for about 5 years, and they never grew, ever. And you can see they're just exploding. They're blown out of the ground. We had no aphid issues this year whatsoever. Something to be said for the product and what it does for basically everything that's growing. Great. It's yeah, we're excited. My price of product will double if I don't get out.